Hello friends and students, I am Satish Gupta. So today I am going to teach you the Hindu newspaper. So this is very important for UPSC students, and they read the Hindu newspaper to learn vocabulary and words from this Hindu newspaper. So today I am going to teach you the Hindu newspaper, and there are so many vocabulary you can learn from this newspaper. Okay, so it is date today, you can see it is date today 7 September 2020, right? So it is date today 7 September 2020. So I'm going to teach you a paragraph of this the Hindu newspaper, and there is a paragraph, there is a topic like situation, and there is a topic which comes in UPSC. You know what? International relation, it is very important in UPSC, right? So it happen in current affairs, and if we read newspaper daily, so we can get a lot of things, a lot of knowledge from this newspaper, right? Okay, should we start? So yes, you can see India, right? So India, Iran discuss Afghan peace process, right? Okay, once again, India, Iran discuss Afghan peace progress. And in this topic, I'll tell you vocabulary, right? Meaning of vocabulary. What is meaning of vocabulary? I'll read this paragraph, this topic, and in this topic vocabulary meaning I will tell you, right? So every day I will tell you a topic from the Hindu newspaper every day, right? Okay, so should we start? Okay, so we know very well what is meaning of this line, right? Because we know these are words, right? Okay, so Tehran also raised safety of minorities, say sources. Okay, so the defense minister of India and Iran discussed ways to take forward bilateral. What is bilateral meaning? So I think maybe some people know about this word bilateral. So there is Hindi, those students who are Hindi medium, if they want to get Hindi about this vocabulary bilateral in Hindi, so they can search on Google, right? They can get about Hindi in this word meanings, right? But I will tell you only in English, right? Bilateral in English. So I can explain what is meaning of bilateral meaning, right? Okay, so bilateral in English, we can say there is meaning involving two parties, especially countries, right? So what is bilateral meaning? Involving two parties, especially countries, right? Okay, so cooperation and exchanged views on regional security issues, right? Including peace and stability in Afghanistan during their meeting in Tehran. The defense minister said on Sunday in a departure from protocol for defense meetings, right? Okay, the Iranian side raised the issue of recent reports citing. What is meaning of citing? So a lot of people, they get confused about citing. What is exact meaning of citing? So there is a meaning of citing, justification of, so you can say justification of an argument or statement, right? So in other words, you can say on behalf of something, right? The safety of minorities. You know very well what is minorities meaning. So minorities, what is meaning of minorities? That is also very important vocabulary. What is meaning of minority, and which is also in UPSC, right? So it comes in UPSC, right? These words, right? Okay. So what is minorities meaning? Okay. So minorities meaning the smaller number of part, especially a number that is less than half the whole number, right? So this is meaning of minorities, right? Okay. Okay, go ahead. In India, it is learnt. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh held a bilateral. I told you about this meaning already. Okay. So bilateral meeting with Iran's Minister of Defense and Armed Forces. Okay. So logistics. What is logistics meaning? So we know, we are reading the one by one line and we get well understand, right? So we know very well everything about this. Okay. So we need to learn vocabulary in this paragraph, right? What is meaning of this? So in UPSC, comprehension will be there. So by reading that comprehension, we can get exact meaning of paragraph, right? So that's why we are learning vocabulary from this newspaper. Okay. Logistics. So what is meaning of logistics? Okay. So we can say the detailed coordination of a complex operation involving many people, facilities or supplies. So that is logistics, right? Okay. Brigadier General Amir Hatami at the latter's request on September 5th. Okay. Mr. Singh was on transit halt in Tehran and route from Moscow to New Delhi, where he attended the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So there is short SCO, and SCO, what is full form of SCO? So S means Shanghai, C Corporation, O mean organization. That is also very important. So it is also for UPSC, right? So you need to learn of this. Okay. Defense ministers meeting. Iran is an observer at the SCO. That is also came right below this line. Okay. So S mean Shanghai, C Corporation or organization. Okay. So both leaders emphasis. Okay. So both leaders emphasis. Not only, a lot of people they say emphasis, don't say emphasis, emphasized, right? So there is good pronunciation of this word, emphasized, don't say emphasis, right? Okay. So both leaders emphasized, no, don't say emphasized, right? So both leaders emphasized upon the age-old cultural. So what is meaning of emphasized, right? So emphasized meaning, we can say give a special importance in speaking or writing, right? So that is also very important, right? So upon the age-old cultural. Linguistic. What is meaning of linguistic? So linguistic is relating to language, right? So I told you linguistic mean relating to language. Okay. And civilizational. What is civilizational? And it is also very important, right? So civilizational meaning the state of human social and cultural development and organization that is considered most advanced, right? So this is meaning, right? So I have told you about this. Okay, ties between India and Iran, the sorry India and Iran, the ministry said. Okay, so everything I think I told you vocabulary in this paragraph, right? First bilateral, second sighting, and and here more logistics, and more here you can see in this paragraph. Okay, emphasized. Okay, next linguistic, and next civilizational. Okay, so I told you about there are 7-8 vocabulary, so you need to learn, and there is also more vocabulary minorities I told you in this paragraph. Okay, so students and friends, so you can those students who are learning in English and those who want to speak in English and write paragraph in English, so they need to read newspaper every day, right? So they need to read newspaper every day. That is very important. If you read newspaper every day, so your English will be going to be good, right? So I request to all of you, you should read newspaper, any newspaper, but if you read the Hindu newspaper, that is good. So the Hindu newspaper is good for UPSC, and for those who want to learn from current affairs, so the Hindu is good. So every day you should try to speak in English and read newspaper every day, and that is very important. So okay, students and friends, okay, bye bye. So we will get to soon again next day. So I will upload every day the Hindu newspaper topic which are very important for UPSC, right? So I will discuss that topic and I will upload that topic. Okay students, so students and friends, okay, bye bye, and be safe and be the best. Okay, bye bye.